Okay, hai, selamat pagi semua.
Hi, teacher.
Hai. Selamat pagi. Yes, selamat pagi. Okay, so before we waiting to make sure everyone enter our class for today, can I know, they have any comments about test 2? Any comment about test 2? Difficult or easy or what?
Yeah, it's a bit difficult.
Which
The
part?
second part is difficult. The second part, reorganization of the words.
Rearrange the word to be a sentence, right?
Mhm.
Okay, yeah. I agree with you because when I'm marking your paper, actually, you are confused where you want to put the preposition, the word ini. Some of you,
Yeah,
you put
really makes me puzzled.
okay, some of you put ini at the beginning of the sentence. Sometimes they put the ini at the second words. Teh tarik ini or ini teh tarik? Which one? Which one? Okay, I don't. Okay, I don't want to apa orang kata make it. I don't want to tell you about the answer lah. Okay, because maybe you can stress because you put ini at the first one, ini at the second one. Okay, I don't want to check the answer, but I want to tell you that for those who put ini at the depan or ini at the second, sometimes you still get a marks because the only ones word you are confused. After then, that's everything is correct lah. Okay, teh tarik ini rasanya sangat manis. Sometimes you said ini teh tarik rasanya sangat manis. Sometimes they are still correct. Okay, because if we are looking at the formal and informal situation of the sentence, they are still correct. Okay, if you said teh tarik ini rasanya sangat manis, they are formal sentence. But if you said ini teh tarik rasanya sangat manis, they are an informal sentence. Okay, but the difference is for those who write down formal sentence, you get full marks. For those who write down informal sentence, I just deduct 0.5 marks. Just a little bit only. Don't worry. Okay, so good news. Average you got 60, 70 and above. That means you higher lah for test 2. Okay, very good. Maybe the exercise will be help you. Not sure. Okay, so right now I just have 13 participants who are participating today. Alright, so we check your attendance first. Okay, Sonali, are you there? Wait, yeah. They are coming right now. Okay, Sonali, are you there? Not yet in, maybe. Parnana Takdo. Parnana?
Yes.
The first one enter to the class for today. Amina, Madina?
Saya.
Okay. Siapa lagi? Zauzi Chow?
Saya.
Zuji?
Saya.
Yukun? Chen Yukun?
Saya.
Wang Xiudan?
Ya, saya.
Chen Lei? Sorry.
Saya.
Wang Fei? Wang Fei? Wang Fei, are you there? Not here. Yang Boya? Yang Boya? Maybe not yet in. Yu Miao?
Saya.
Li Shirong.
Saya.
Yang Hua.
Saya.
Chu Yuan.
Saya.
Dong Kai Yuan.
Saya.
Ayub Saqir Mustafa. Ayub, are you there?
Saya.
Baizi Chuan.
Saya.
Sun Hao. Sun Hao. Apa ni? Sunadi. Ya. Okay, Li Tiao Yu.
Saya.
Zhang Qianqian.
Saya.
Wang Qiuyi.
Saya.
Zhang Jingfei.
Saya.
Taha Abdul Salam. Not here. Han Mingjun. Ao Li Chun. Deep, are you there? Zhang Zhou.
Here.
Okay. Salau Saidu Yaru. Salau Saidu Yaru, are you there? Are you here, right? Salau Saidu Yaru. I see your face and your name in my screen. Can you hear me? Salau Saidu Yaru. Your mic is mute. My audio has technical. Okay, all right. So already records your name. So today I'm missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 a person. They are Wang Fei, Yang Boya, Taha, and Han Mingjun. I don't know where is the other. What happens? Wang Fei. Okay, Wang Fei. Okay, Wang Fei already records your attendance. Okay, so guys.
Yes, please, I'm also with you. My audio has problem before.
So now, is it okay?
Yes.
Is it fixed already? Okay, very good. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, today class, topic number 7. They are very simple and short when we're talking about the location and the preposition. Okay, so before we're talking about the topic today, I would like to give you your last assignment. I mean the assignment number 3. Okay, this assignment I'm so excited. It is because you have to make your presentation. So no video in assignment number 3. You have to you have to present during the class. Okay, what the assignment number 3? Actually, I already shared the document in our WhatsApp group, but I have to make it detailed. All right, so look at here. This is your assignment number 3. Okay, what are you going to do right now? You have to make it your groups. Okay, so it's up to you lah. You want to use the same members or you want to change with others? It's up to you. Don't ask me about your group member. So make sure there are 3 or 4 member in your group. Okay, so this is about the topics. So I give you 2 topics here. You need to choose just only one, not both. Yeah, please choose the only one. The topic is we are talking about the interesting about the foods or interesting about the places. Okay, so how many food and how many places you have to elaborate about the attractions? Just 2 only. Okay, for example, if you choose about the interesting food, you're talking about the Peking duck and you're talking about the nasi lemak, for example. Okay, just 2 only. If you are talking about the interesting place, you need to tell us about 2 places only. You want to talking about the Malaysia or you want to talking about the you want to talking about Malaysia and China or what? Or you want to make it small, just in China, Beijing and the Guangzhou. It's up to you lah. Okay, you have to discuss with your group member which one the best topic you want to choose. Okay, because you of 3 to 4 member group, you have to divide your part because I got a sum of comment from somebody. They said, teacher, I was thinking they are unfair because for each group they have 3 to 4 member, but not all the members do their part. Only me. I make it the video, I edit the video, I make it dialogues. So they are just read the dialogues only. So I do start from A to Z. So how come they get the same marks with me? Okay, so I tell you because we are adult right now. Okay, so you have to divide your part. You have to discuss the others. So take your position. Maybe some of you make it the script. Some of you edit the portfolio. Okay, because you have to make it your portfolio. Okay, this assignment no need to send the video, but you have to send your portfolio. Okay, I will show you the example about the portfolio later on. Okay, so take your position. Maybe some of you have to be the editor to read again about the paragraph or what. So please take your position. Okay, start with the discussion with your group member and spread the spread the part. Yeah, you have to divide. Okay, so you have to believe each other and you have to do your part. Okay, if your group member have a problem, you have to settle lah. Okay, and please let me inform about your group member if they don't want to do their part. All right, so number 3, okay, you have to submit your projects, I mean your portfolio in week 14. So the date is 29/6/2022. Okay, so you have to submit before or on. Okay, so at the same dates, I mean on 29th, you have to do some of presentations. Okay, look at here. You have to present your findings in week 14. Okay, all right. So this is about your format to make it your portfolio. Please use the font Arial. The size is 12 and spacing is 1.5. Okay. All right. So on that day, I mean 29th June 2022, you have to do some of the presentation. Actually, all of you have to present. Okay, because they have in assignment number 3, they have a 20% marks. Okay, 20%. 10% for portfolio and 10% for presentations. Okay, so you are 3 or 4, so you have to divide the part. Maybe one of you have to be opening at the beginning, give a greeting, introduce the group members, and then the first member have to present about the first places or first foods. The second member have to be present about the second places or second foods. The last member have to make it a sum of conclusions. Okay, I mean the ending of your presentations. So you have to remember that your presentation must be done in Bahasa Melayu. Okay, because this is a last topic, final stage. I already test you from the topic number 1 how to give a sum of rating. Okay, so try to use a simple language what you will learn in the class. All right. Okay, so you have to construct your script lah. Please do not use a bombastic word or what. Okay, just use the word, the grading, what you will learn in the class, because I will assess you based on your pronunciation. Make sure your pronunciation is make it clear. For example, if you want to say good mornings, I mean selamat pagi in Bahasa Melayu, make sure your pronunciation is clear. Selamat pagi semua. That means is good morning everybody. Okay, not so I'm not clear about that. All right, so please make it your pronunciation clear. So you have to be practiced. And then the vocabularies. Okay, so this is I'm very sensitive about the vocabulary. If you try to use a vocabs I never teach you in the class, I will asking you what does it mean. Okay, for example, you say, I feel so excited. Okay, I never teach you what does it mean excited in Bahasa Melayu, and then you said, saya sungguh teruja. Okay, so I asking you what does it mean teruja. If you know teruja, that means I'm excited. Okay, it doesn't matter. But if you don't know, okay, so I'm very sensitive about that. Okay, make sure you know what you will try to talking about. And the grammar, make sure the grammar, I mean the preposition, they are correct lah. Fluencies about your arrangements. Okay, your presentation arrangement and everything. All right. Okay. So the time to present around 7 to 10 minutes only, because we just have two contents only. Yeah. So 7 to 10 minutes per group, not per person. Yeah, per group. Okay. So you have to make it present PowerPoint and portfolio. Okay. So PowerPoint, no marks provide. Okay, but PowerPoint, it will be help you during the presentation. Let me share about the sample of the PowerPoint from the previous group. Okay. Here. Okay, this is a sample of a PowerPoint come from the previous group. Okay, the others class lah. Okay. All right. So here, if you look at there, they're talking about about the interesting places. So they choose the places are in Nigeria and Sri Lanka. Okay. So they introduce about the name, about the group members here and the name of the lecturers. So please make sure you write down my name is by correctly, yeah, because sometimes the student put my name Iman Hidayah. Iman Hidayah is not my name actually. That's just my nickname. So what is my full name is Nur Hidayah. You can see at my screen right now. I put Nur Hidayah. So this is my name, not Iman Hidayah. Okay. In UPM, I'm famous with the name Iman Hidayah because Hidayah is too many here. Okay. So that's why I use the nickname Iman Hidayah. Okay. So here, this is about the PowerPoint. They put a picture as an attractions. Okay. And then they put the sentence. All right, they're talking about the Rizab Permainan Langkari in Nigeria. So the second thing, they put the pictures, very interesting, right? Okay, yeah. And then the other places, the second places, they are talking about the Menara Colombo Lotus in Sri Lanka. Like, so nice, yeah. All right, so PowerPoint, and they put the references, okay? That's all. Terima kasih. Okay. So PowerPoint no marks provides because I have to focus on your presentations. Okay. But if you have to make it that one, it will be help you lah to make it your presentation. Okay. Now I would like to present to you about the portfolio, the sample of portfolio. Mana? Mana sample of portfolio? Okay, here, this is a sample of the portfolio. The first one, you need to focus about the cover. Okay, same like with the assignment. Okay, in the others course, you need to put the UPM at the symbol and then the topic here. You choose tempat-tempat menarik. Where is it? Okay, interesting place are in, where is it? Nigeria and Sri Lanka, China and Malaysia, or what? It's up to you lah. So what the places here, Rizab Permainan Langkari and Menara Colombo. So name of the group members here, name of the lecturer, okay, at the bottom line here. And then the first page, they're talking about Rizab Permainan Langkari. They put the pictures and then the text, okay. So I want to tell you, please take a note, your text must be 5 to 6 sentences only, not too much, okay, not too much. 5 to 6 sentences only. Please do not take from the article, from the Googles, from the website, and then you just copy and paste and you declare this is your part. Please do not, yeah, because during the presentation, when you read the sentence, I will asking you have a few of the words here. For example, if I asking you what does it mean, tarikkan pelancong, and you don't know what the meaning that's mean kantoi lah. Okay, kantoi, that's mean apa orang kata, I don't know how to explain that, the word kantoi. You did not do your part lah. Actually, what you try to write down, you have to understand lah. Okay, 5 to 6 sentences only. Okay, the second places, Menara Colombo Lotus. Yes. Okay. The paragraph is too short and simple. Okay, so in WhatsApp group, I already share with you the tips how to write down about the paragraph. Okay, I open it again. Mana? Okay. So I hope this tip, it will be help you to make it your sentence. Okay. If you choose about the places, you can write down your sentence based on this item. The first sentence, you're talking about the locations. Okay, where is the places located? For example, okay, I give this the example of the sentence. I said about the Kuala Lumpur Towers. Okay, Kuala Lumpur Towers. So, Menara Kuala Lumpur terletak di Kuala Lumpur. The meaning is the KL Towers, okay, Kuala Lumpur Tower is located at Kuala Lumpur. Beijing is located in China. What is it? Okay, just copy my sentence, but you have to elaborate. You have to relate with your places lah, with your topics. And number two, maybe you're talking about the distance. How many distance from the Kuala Lumpur to China? How many the distance Kuala Lumpur to Nigeria? How to know about the distance? You just open your Google Maps. You will get how many kilometers there. Okay, so the duration is I want to go there. Okay, so how many time taken? If from Kuala Lumpur, I mean the airport of Kuala Lumpur, go to the airport in China. So the time taken just 2 hours or what? Okay, you can copy my sentence, relate with your places. Do not take from the article or words. Okay, number 4, what the interesting place I can visit it. For example, we are talking about the China, for example. Sorry, if I just say about China only because it's very easy to make it an example. Yeah. What the other places I can visit it is I go to the Beijing. I mean, maybe in Beijing they have a small city, right? What the interesting places I have to visit it. Okay, number 5, how to go to there? Is it I can take bus, taxi, boat, aeroplane, or what? From the Kuala Lumpur, for example. Okay. And then the last one, fun facts about the places. Because the places, they have many historical place or what, it's up to you lah. Okay, I don't know about the places you want to choose. Okay, so number 2, for those, if you want to choose about the foods, okay, please use this point. Number 1, you're talking about the location where I can get the foods. For sure at the restaurant, but which one restaurant? Okay. So number 2, how about taste? Because you already learned about taste. When we're talking about the nasi lemak, okay, or noodle, fried noodle or what? How about taste? Delicious, spicy or what? Okay, please refer about the lecture notes. And how about price? Expensive or cheap? Or you want to mention about the numbers? RM2, 50 sen or what? Okay. And number 4, about the food ingredient. When we're talking about the packing bag, okay, so what the food ingredients? Oil, I mean the lagi vegetable, what the name of vegetable or what? Okay, and the last one, fun facts about the foods. Okay, because the king of the country suka makan ke apa ke, I don't know lah. Okay, so you have the traditional foods from the community or what. Okay, you have to talking about that. Okay, 5 to 6 sentence only, not too much. Okay, all right, settle about the assignment number 3. So ada soalan tak? Any question about the assignment? Is it clear?
Yeah, very clear.
Okay, very good. Okay, so if you need some of the requests, just asking in the WhatsApp group. I will share with you everything. Okay. All right. So settle about the assignment number 3. I hope you have to be prepared on 29th June. Okay. You have to make it to your presentation during the class. All right. Okay. So today we have to cover about the topic number 7. Next week, the last topic, topic number 8, and then 29th June, they are about your presentation. So after then that, that's all finished. No more class. All right. So we just have 3 time only. Okay, teacher, it is group
Include this one.
Yeah, teacher, this is group presentation homework, a live conversation with our using PPT software. What does it mean, Lee Shirung? What do you mean, Lee Shirung?
I think he means that one of our group members need to share the screen to share with the PowerPoint live.
Yes, I will give you permission to share PowerPoint. You have to share your screen during the presentation. So you have to be prepared lah about the item. Last semester, some of the students, they make it a video, they make it a what. So everything is up to you. You want to share with us everything. So you have, I hope you can use your time wisely lah. Make sure, because I give you 7 to 10 minutes for each group to make it your presentation. So you have to be creative lah. You want to put some of the video and then the presentation later on or what. So it's up to you. Okay. So here, let's begin about the topic number 7. Don't worry, guys. Okay, topic number 7. This is a very simple and too short. I mean, half an hour we are settled already because the topic is very short. All right. So I hope you're ready right now. So let's begin our first subtopic. We are talking about the penyataan lokasi. Okay, that's mean is when we want to know where is the locations, where you put your books, where is your car, where is your key. So you have to know lah about the location. All right. So first subtopic, you have to know about the direction. This is a very easy, but you have to be careful. This is a very famous question come out in your final. Okay, because in your final, the topic conclude from the topic number 7 and 8. Okay, mostly they take from the topic number 7. Okay, even they are simple and short, this is a very famous question will be come out in your final exam. Okay, so if you want to say on your left, okay, here, left. So in bahasa, we say di kiri. Kiri, that means it's on your left, di kiri. If you want to say on your right, in bahasa, we say di kanan. Di kanan, okay? If you want to say next to or by, okay, beside you, you have to say, in bahasa, we say di sebelah. Di sebelah, I mean next to you, okay? So, on or on tops, I mean, we have to say di atas, okay, di atas. You put something in the below or under the face, okay, you should say di bawah, I mean, di bawah, okay. In front of you, okay, in front of you, we say di hadapan. Di hadapan, in front of, okay. All right. Behind you, at the back. So we say di belakang. Okay. All right. So inside, you put something inside. So we say di dalam. Di dalam. Okay. You take out something and you put at the outside, out or outside, we say di luar. Di luar. Okay. So in between, I mean, look at here, right? So my face in between my hand. Di antara. Di antara. Okay. Sometimes the people say in the middle. Okay, my face in the middle, my hand. So they say di tengah. Di tengah. Okay. So guys, wait, yeah. My computer is hang right now. For a moment, because my computer is not function. Okay, here. All right. So guys, based on the table, okay, let's do some of the activity to make sure you understand what you were learning about. All right. So if you want to mention about buku saya, what is it? Under the table. So what? The answer is buku saya under the table. What is it under?
Di bawah.
Bawah.
Yes, buku saya di bawah meja. Right? Buku saya di bawah meja. Okay, number 2. On the table. What does it mean?
Di atas.
Yes.
Di atas.
Di atas. Buku saya di atas meja. Okay, look at the dogs. What the position of the dogs?
Next to.
Di
Next to.
hadapan. Di hadapan.
Okay.
In front of.
Yeah,
Di
Out.
they have to answer Okay, some of the people said di hadapan, okay, because the dog's
This-
in front of the house. But something you can say also outside the house. Okay, they have to answer. Okay, so if they are in front of the house, for sure the answer is di hadapan. If the answer is di luar, what is it di luar?
Out of.
out of.
Outside.
Di luar rumah, outside. Okay, anjing itu di luar rumah, outside. Okay, how about the last one? Where
Inside.
inside? What is it inside?
Di
Di dalam.
dalam.
Di
Yeah.
dalam
Di dalam bakul. Okay, continue.
bakul.
Continue about the position. Okay, so here Ali. What the position Ali?
Di sebelah kiri.
Okay,
On
maybe,
on the right.
okay. They have to
Di-
answer. They have to answer. Some of you maybe said di sebelah guru.
Sebelah
Okay,
Ali.
if the
Di
answer said, maybe you want to say di kiri guru. Okay, so both of the answer I receive lah. Okay, di sebelah guru or di kiri guru. Okay. Okay, next. Here, where is the house located?
And
The antara.
Di antara.
In between. The
Yeah.
antara.
The others answer? We have to answer. Di antara and
Di tengah.
di
Tengah.
Di
tengah.
tengah.
Okay, so I just put one only lah. Okay, you can say di antara or di tengah. Okay, so next.
Yes.
How about the Amir? Position of Amir, where is it?
Di dalam.
Behind. Di
Behind.
Di belakang.
belakang.
Yeah, di belakang pintu. Because we don't know Amir in their house or from the outside. Okay, di belakang pintu. Okay, the last one. But the apple. What the position of apple?
next to.
Di hadapan.
Two. I was thinking yes, di hadapan. Next to must be beside. Okay, di hadapan kotak. Okay. So I hope guys you can refer this position. If the question come up, they're asking you about the position. Actually, the position, the question will be become in the multiple choice question. They will give you some of the picture like this one. So you have to choose A, B, C, or D. Di hadapan, di belakang, di depan, di antara. So you have to look at about the position, yeah? Okay, settle. Now we're talking about the preposition. Okay, what preposition are in English? What is it? What preposition in English? Someone tell me.
to, for, in,
Yeah.
on.
So many, yeah. Okay, for, to, lagi, apa lagi? For, to, lagi. Slow.
In,
At.
From.
on, at.
At.
From.
In. Okay, there are so many.
For.
Actually, in bahasa, okay, in bahasa, they're same like English, but the function is big difference. Okay, so look at here. Okay, if you want to talk, we are talking about at or in English, where we want to mention about the place or the location. In bahasa Melayu, we just use be, but place or location only. Okay, place or location. For example, they're talking what the position of the ball. What is it? What the position of the ball?
Di sebelah.
Di sebelah.
Di sebelah what? Left or right?
Left.
Left, Daniel.
Right.
No, left. Di sebelah kiri, Daniel.
Left.
Di kanan.
Right, dah.
Di kanan.
Left. Okay, kiri is left. Okay, so bola itu, not itu bola ya. Most of you always say
Bola
itu bola. That's apa? The balls. Okay, bola itu di sebelah kiri, Daniel. So what is it? Kiri, left or right?
Kiri. Left.
Left. Okay, so the ball Can someone tell me what the position of the ball?
The ball
Is on
On?
the left.
Sebelah kiri.
on the left of the boy.
On the left, okay? On the left of the boy. Okay, D sebelah, when we are talking about the location D. Or maybe, okay, wait, yeah, I try to make it. Sekejap. My computer is hang right now. Oh my God. Sekejap. Okay. Okay, bola itu di sebelah kiri Daniel. Oh, wait. We want to mention about the place or location. Saya tinggal di Kuala Lumpur. Okay, D. To mention about the places or about the location. Okay. Alright, sekejap lah. What happened with my computer today? Okay. So look at the second pictures. Ke or to, but the preposition to, you want to mention where do you want to go to. Okay. Daniel pergi ke sekolah. That's mean Daniel go to school.
School.
Okay. If you said
Goes to
teachers, if you said teacher, sekolah is name of places. Can we put D? Okay. You want to put D, there are different meaning. Okay. If you said Daniel pergi ke sekolah, the meaning is Daniel go to school. If you said D, the meaning is, okay,
Daniel is at
Daniel
school.
already are in school. Okay, understand what the difference is?
School.
So
Yes.
pergi, they are verbs. Daniel pergi ke sekolah. Daniel go to school. The verbs, yeah. If you said D, they are already at the school. Okay. So next, daripada and dari. Okay, the meaning is from. In English, from. But we have a little bit difference. Okay. If you want to mention about people or humans, we have to use daripada, not dari. Because dari just for direction, time, and places only. Okay. For example, look at the sentence. Hadiah ini daripada Daniel. That means this gives from Daniel. Because Daniel, they are human, right? So you have to use daripada. But if you want to mention about others than the human, you need to use dari. For example, Daniel dari Malaysia, not daripada. Okay? Okay, for example, about the time. I give you the simple sentence about the time. Kelas bahasa Melayu pada pukul 8. Kelas pada Melayu dari pukul 8 hingga 10 pagi. Okay. Kelas bahasa Melayu, Malay class start from 8 to 10 p.m. Okay, where you want to mention about the time. Okay, so the first sentence we're talking about the places. Okay, maybe the direction. Okay. So far, this part, is it clear? Clear? All right, so next. For in English, Malay we call as untuk. Okay, hadiah ini untuk Daniel. This gift for Daniel. Okay, we're talking about Daniel today. Hadiah ini untuk Daniel. This prize for Daniel. Okay. Pada or on, at. Okay, we're talking about the time. Daniel tidur pada pukul 8 malam. Alright, simple, eh? Okay, so far about the preposition, is it clear? You just focus about the dari and daripada only. So everything they are same lah. Okay. I just want to check you are clear. So let's do some of the activities. Alah, hai. Sekejap. Okay. So please give me the answer. I will call your name and then you have to give me the answer. I give you 3 minutes. Fill in the blank with the correct answer.
Ibu pergi. Dari. First one. Oh, second one is. Pergi.
Okay, done. Just 3 questions only. Okay. So, siapa Lee Shirong. Can you share your answer,
Yeah.
number 1?
The number 1 is ibu pergi ke pasar.
Okay,
The
ibu
ibu is
pergi.
go to the market.
Yes, okay. The mothers or mommy or moms go to the markets. All right, very good. Okay, number 2, Teacher Yuan.
Okay. Mei Ling. Dari China.
Yes, we're talking about the place. Mei-ling dari China. Okay, Chen Lei, number 3.
Kamera ini untuk adik.
Adik.
This camera, adik. Yes, this
Yeah.
camera is for sister.
Yes, okay. Maybe some of you said this camera, okay, daripada adik. From the younger sister. So they have to answer. If you choose untuk, come from sister. If you put daripada, if you put untuk, that means for younger
For.
sister. If you said daripada, come from younger sister. Okay. So next, number 4, 5, and 6. Take the time to complete the answer questions. Okay, done. Okay, so Salau Saidu Yaru. Number 4. Are you ready with the answer?
Yes.
Mhm.
Rumah saya di Sadang.
Rumah saya di Serdang. Okay. Rumah saya di Serdang. Very good. We're talking about the places. Okay, number 5. Ayub. Ayub, are you there?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
number 5. What the answer?
Kelas Gina pada pukul
What number 11? What number 11?
11.
11.
11 pagi.
Yes.
11 bangkit, yes.
Okay, kelas Gina pada pukul 11 pagi. They are like a statement. Okay. How to use dari? Because we're talking about the time. If you say kelas Gina dari pukul 11 pagi, you have to tell with the completes. Gina class from 11 a.m. to what a.m. Okay, if they have kelas Gina pada pukul 11 pagi hingga 1 tengah hari, the answer is dari. But just now the statement that want to mention about Gina class on 11 a.m. Okay, so the last one, Farnana Takdowo, can you tell me the last answer number 6?
Yes. Kereta ini daripada abang.
Kereta ini daripada abang. What does it mean?
This car from abang. Abang brother.
Yes, this car for the brothers. All right, very good. Okay, so you are complete already lah. Okay, so now I just want to make it refresh. Actually, we are already finished about the lesson number 7. Okay, so I just want to make it refresh about the question phrase. Maybe you will be found about the question phrase in your final exams because you are very familiar question phrase like apa, siapa, berapa. Am I right? Okay, berapakah harga? You want to asking about the price. Siapakah nama ayah? We're talking about the father's name. Who is it? Okay. Okay, now rangkai kata pertanyaan. Okay, question phrase. Di manakah? Okay, di mana or di manakah? We have two. Sometimes the question come with di mana, sometimes they asking with di manakah. So doesn't mean they are where is blah blah blah. Okay, which one? That means is yang mana or yang manakah. That means you have two options, so you have to choose which one. Alright, so the last one, bagaimanakah? How? We're talking about the process. Okay, look at the sample of the sentence about question phrase. If they want to talking about di mana, maybe you want to ask me, teacher, what the difference are? What the difference of di mana and di manakah? Okay, the difference is the position of the words. If they're asking you di manakah kelas bahasa Melayu, okay, if they have kah, must be in front of the text. In front of the text. If they just had di mana only, must be the last of the text. Kelas bahasa Melayu, yes, kelas bahasa Melayu di mana? Okay, so see what the difference is? Just about the position only. Okay, just about the position only. Di manakah kelas bahasa Melayu? Kelas bahasa Melayu di mana? If you say kelas bahasa Melayu di manakah, they are incorrect. Yeah, must be in front of the text. Awak tinggal di mana? Okay, in front behind of the text. Di manakah awak tinggal? Alright, so they're asking about the places. Where are you staying right now? Okay, about the places. Yang mana? I mean, you have to choose which one. Bola Daniel yang mana? Okay, which one? The Daniel ball. Okay, Daniel's ball. Which one? That one or this one? Yang manakah bola Daniel? Okay, about the bagaimana. How? About the process. Okay, bagaimanakah cara Daniel pergi ke sekolah? That means how Daniel to go to the school. If I want to say bagaimana, what should I write down? The sentence? Without kah. What should I write down the sentence? Bagaimana. Because here is bagaimanakah. If I want to use bagaimana, can you help me? Write down if I want to asking about bagaimana only without kah.
Cara Daniel pergi ke Selangor.
Ke sekolah nak Selangor. Continue.
Sekolah.
Cara Daniel pergi ke sekolah dengan
Bagaimana?
bagaimana. Yes, you are right. Okay. Cara Daniel pergi ke sekolah bagaimana. Because I told you the difference is about the position only. Right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, settle hilang pula. We have to put, astaghfirullahalazim. Alah. Okay, now, the last slide about the situation. Ali, they try to asking somebody about their lecture rooms. Okay, so this situation is very familiar and very famous every semester. Okay, one day if you arrive in UPM, you also have to asking somebody because you are not familiar about the round of the UPM, and then you try to find the building, you have to asking somebody, right? So Ali tried to asking something with Cik Nita. So I don't want to read this paragraph. Can I have a volunteers to be Ali and Cik Nita?
Yes, let me be Ali.
Is it you, Salau Saidu?
Yes.
Okay, Salau Saidu to be Ali and Cik Nita. Volunteers, please. Who? Who's speaking?
Amina.
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 Okay, all right. So let's begin your text.
Selamat pagi. Boleh saya tahu bilik Puan Salma di mana? Bagaimanakah saya mahu pergi ke sana?
Yes.
Ya, sudah tentu. Bilik Puan Salma di Fakulti Bahasa Modern dan Komunikasi.
Adakah fakulti ini terletak di sebelah bangunan kar?
Okay.
Ya betul, bilik Puan Salma di blok E tingkat 1, bilik Cempaka Biru. Awak masuk ke pintu utama dan naik ke tingkat 1, bilik Cempaka Biru di sebelah kiri awak.
Oh, mudah sahaja. Baiklah, saya mahu pergi sekarang. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Okay, very good. So I explain what happened. Okay. Ali said selamat pagi is good morning. Boleh saya tahu bilik Puan Salmah di mana? May I know where is Puan Salmah room? Where, right? Di mana is where. Bagaimanakah saya mahu pergi ke sana? Bagaimana? What is it?
How?
How I to go there, alright? If I want to go there, how? Okay, so Cik Nita said, ya, sudah tentu, yes, of course. Bilik Puan Salmah di Fakulti Bahasa Moden dan Komunikasi. That means is Puan Salmah room are in Fakulti Bahasa Moden and Communications. Alright, so Ali asking again, adakah fakulti ini terletak di sebelah bangunan CALS? What does it mean CALS? Okay, I put the CALS is our building center for the assessment of language competencies. Yeah, so that means is it this faculty is located next to CALS buildings? And Cik said yes, you were right. Bilik Puan Salma di block A. I mean Puan Salma at the blocks A. Tingkat 1, I mean first floor. Okay. If I said tingkat 3, what I mean?
3, third floor.
Yes, I mean third floor. Okay.
Third floor.
Yeah. Okay. So here tingkat 1, that means the first level. Alright. So bilik Cempaka Biru, the name of Puan Salmah room. Awak masuk ke pintu utama, that means you enter the main door, okay, pintu utama main door, dan naik ke tingkat 1. I mean go up to the first floor. Bilik Cempaka Biru on your left, right? Di kiri awak. Oh, that very easy. Okay, I want to go there now. Thank you. Welcome. Alright. Simple situation. Okay. So I was thinking the topic 7 is finished already. All right. So I just want to remind you, this topic are very famous. They have a lot of questions come out from your to your final exam. So please be careful and try to catch up about the vocabulary, about the location and the preposition. Yeah, because preposition they will give you some of the sentence incomplete, so you have to write down the answer. Or sometimes they give you some of the picture, so you have to choose A, B, C, D. Which one about the located? All right. Multiple choice question lah. Okay, so far guys, any question about the lesson today?
Yes, teacher, I have a question
Yes.
about the bagaimana, the car. The scientist is Carol Daniel pergi ke sekolah. Bagaimana, is it right?
Yes, bagaimana. I mean the process. I mean how bagaimana go to school. Daniel go to school.
Okay.
Yeah, take by bus,
Thank
taxi, or what? Yeah. Okay. So others question? No, yeah? All right. So
Tidak.
guys, tidak ada soalan. Okay, so guys, sorry if I have to leave the class early because I have to visit my office mate. All right, because we are already finished the lesson for today. So you still have half an hour. Try to discuss with your Try to discuss with your members, group members about your assignment number 3. Try to complete early. Make it a first draft. If you need my help to check your text, I'm okay. Just let me know. Okay. All right. So if you still have any inquiries later on, just asking in WhatsApp group as soon as possible. I try to reply. And one more thing, if I'm not mistaken, is it the date is not confirmed, yeah? But I just I had just heard from some guys. They said your final exam for LPM 2100, they are 21 July. 21 July. So I will confirm it later. You just stand by lah. All right. Okay, so that's all for today. Oh, one more thing. I forget to screenshot as a proofing for your attendance today. Please, everybody, turn on your camera. As a proofing. Okay, look at your camera right now. Okay, Ayub, I can see your face, Ayub. Okay, all right. Okay, so look at your camera. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more because there have too many participants. How? Can you turn on your camera? Maybe they have a problem with the camera. Okay, never mind. Look at your camera right now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so thank you for your participate for class today. Until meet you again. Assalamualaikum and jumpa lagi. Bye-bye. Terima kasih.
Waalaikumsalam. Jumpa lagi.
Terima kasih.
Yes,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Teacher.